Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today guys, we brought for you this KENWOOD hand blender. If you watched my previous video, I will show the same product but just a bush, you know. Actually, this is the first time I bought something from KENWOOD. I don't know guys, this brand, some people said this is not cool, some people said this is nice brand. I need to judge and then I'll leave for you my comment down below after 1 month of using, okay?
Yeah, great.
Let's go unbox this bad boy. But before we go anywhere further, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now. Do you listen? Subscribe. So guys, as you see here, they show you KENWOOD has 400 watt, which is mean it's weak engine. To be honest with you guys, I don't know why they create 400 watt. 400 watt is not enough to twist meat, for example, or chicken or stuff like that, which is gonna be for vegetables and stuff like that. I don't know, it's who create 400 watt. There's no reason to create KENWOOD in the UK. Yeah. Okay guys, as you see, we have here the cup. This is the one that you can twist on the juice or stuff like that and cover. Okay. As you see here, this is the blender itself and came with this silly. Okay guys, to save time I put out everything from box, okay? This is the cup, okay? And here we have this is, for example, you can smash meat. I don't know what to tell you guys, to be honest with you, it's not a bad quality, okay? What is this for? I don't know, to be honest with you. I need to read the catalog. We have here the cup, okay? It's until 24 O's, 700 milli, okay? It's not bad quality, let's be honest. I don't want to say something about. Here we have, this is for cream, okay? And this one for example to make smashing potato and stuff like that. And here we have the blender itself, okay? For example, let's try to install it here. Okay, let's try to install it here. To be honest with you guys, not bad. What to tell you? Okay, let's try to do it here. Okay. You know, this is like for turbo, you know. This is the 400, this is for turbo, okay? Okay guys, let me be honest with you. It's not bad quality. I was expected more worse than this. But the finishing, the quality is nice. Let's be honest, I didn't expect. Yeah, really. Really guys, it's not bad, but the question here, is it enough to twist meat or chicken? I don't know, 400 watt, it's weak about to do this. So maybe if you do this, you're gonna damage the motor. And then it's gonna, it's not gonna stay with you long, you know. Because even in the box, they don't draw meat or chicken. They draw vegetables, potatoes, potato fruits, tomatoes, stuff like that. They don't draw for you meat, which is means if you want it for smashing, if you want it for twisting meat or chicken, you need to order 800 watt or 1200 and go up. As for quality, to be honest with you, you know my channel never lies. It's nice quality, not bad. Really. Nice job, KENWOOD. This is first time I try something from KENWOOD. Everything is nice finishing. This thing I can get it for what, you know. I'm gonna read it for the road because I don't like to say something bullshit. I'm gonna read it for you. What is this for? You know? We have here the smasher, the top for blending, which is okay, and this one for cream. And this one for twist meat. You may try do meat on it. Maybe it will stay, maybe it will do, you know. Because, you know, before we have an old one original push made in Germany 55 years ago. It's 400 watt, but you can smash human being, you know. So anyway guys, this is all my review about this KENWOOD blender. You can try it, you will not regret. It's gonna be better than any other Chinese brand, like for example the Smart Home blah blah and stuff that is useless. I'm gonna do for you another video about the normal Chinese one. I'm sure it's not gonna be nice quality like this. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up as well. Share this video with someone really needs to be seen. I'll see you in the video from the pictures. Peace and love for all of you.